I got my first keycap commission, which are these two keycaps right here, and it spiraled into me making my first batch of keycaps ever. I wanted to develop my own style and keep things flat and functional, kinda like your girl, so I tried not to use other keycaps as references. One of my goals for the new year was to try more new things, so this was a great opportunity for that. And being more proactive on social media is also one of them, which is why I'm editing and recording this voiceover as I'm traveling to LA. Most of these guys will be available this week at Anime Los Angeles table N18, and yes, all my keycaps are skinny legends.